Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply sign in into Chrome browser without any stress. So let's see. Welcome back, friends. So after you have successfully download and install Chrome browser on your PC, next thing you need to do is to log into the account. And for you to log into your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this icon, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on sign in to Chrome. Then it's going to take you right here. Then what you need to do is to simply enter your Gmail account, your Google account. So if you don't have Google accounts, simply come down below right here and click on create an account, and you will need to sign up with your detail. So I'm going to simply, so having entered my mail account, next thing I need to do is to simply click on next. And right here, I will need to enter my login password. Then having entered my login password, I click on next. Then the next thing I'm going to do right here is to click on yes and in. And with that, so you have to scroll on strongest security and then against dangerous website, download an extension. Then you click on OK. Then right here, you will have your account successfully login and your profile picture is going to appear right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply log into your Chrome browser without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.